guys, and welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a silicone sticky squishy collection. So this is Melanie. She is one of our dolls. So we have two halves of our channel, if you didn't know, which is me and then another girl. So I have 5 dolls and then the other girl has a few. That is one of them. Her name is Melanie. I really hope you guys like her because I really love her. So silicone squishies are kind of sticky. They can stick to the walls, they can stick to things. They squish really nicely, but they don't have names like slow rising and stuff. Not that I know of at the least, but they're really nice and they have a really cool feeling that is really hard to describe, but it's really cool. So the first silicone squishy I'm going to be showing you is this teal bear. The second one is this yellow bear that has a little bit of this black spots on his head. And now we have this white and pink one. This one also has a little bit of pink ears. This is the next one. It is a cat and it is white and it has little black eyes. And this is another white cat with black eyes. This one is a white cat with pink ears and black eyes, just like the other two. And now we have these two bunnies. We have a pink one and a white one. So the next ones are two pigs. We have this purple one and a really pale pink one that actually looks like a realistic pig. This next one is a little white seal with 2 gray spots in the middle of its eyes. He's really fat and cute. Now we have another white seal with 2 gray spots on his eyes, but he is laying sideways. Here's another little seal thing, and it's really cute and it's white and it lays on its belly. And here is a white silicone squishy and another white silicone squishy. We have a lot of white ones, but here is a yellow one, and then we have a paw print. And now we have a little white cloud, and this one's really cute to stick to the walls. So that was all of our silicone sticky squishies. I really hope you guys liked all of them. They're really cute and I really love them, and I hope you guys liked our doll Melanie. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment. Bye!